WhatsApp verification code not received. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can fix the issue if you're not receiving the verification code or if you're not being able to log in due to the time limit problem. Now, if you're not receiving the code, then it might be due to various reasons. Now, the first thing, it might be the server itself. Now, if the WhatsApp server is down itself, then you'll not be able to do anything from your side. What you would want to do is just wait for a couple of hours and then try again later. However, if it's not the case, then what you want to do is first head over to your phone messages settings. Now, first head into your phone settings. I'll just head into my one quickly here and then search in for messages. And here you can see messages settings right here, and here head into notifications and make sure it's allowed your notification, because if the notification is not allowed, then even if you receive the message, you might not get the notification that you have received the text or code. And the second thing you want to do is head over to your phone messages and head over to starred messages or spammed and blocked messages. Now, if the phone has automatically blocked or spammed the code that you just received, then it'll just be here, right here. So make sure it's not on spammed and blocked. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.